Let us look at the next property of proportion, that is componendo. Okay, let me take two ratios which are in proportion. They are A is to B and C is to D. So these two ratios are in proportion, so they are equal. Okay, now what I am going to do in the first ratio A is to B is I am going to add the second term B to the first term A. I get A plus B. Now I take the second term B. Now I form a new ratio with A plus B as first term and B as second term. So the same thing I am going to do in the ratio C is to D. That is, I am going to add the second term D to the first term C. I get C plus D. Now I form a new ratio with C plus D as the first term, D as the second term. Now these two ratios will be in proportion. That is, these two ratios will be equal. So this property is called componendo.